Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot find your games, your favorite games on the Google Play Store. And to do this, first let's try to find games in our Google Play Store. So there's Call of Duty. If we search for it, it's not available. There's this icon, but we can't click on it. The same is with Diablo Immortal or most of the games as well. And to fix this, click on your profile picture in Google Play Store homepage. Go to your settings, enter Family, then Parental Controls. Right here, enter Apps and Games, enter the PIN code. Click on OK and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for your games again, they're right here and we can play or install them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.